Canva Visual Suite AI has just dropped, and in this review, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this newly released AI software. Whether you're a designer, a marketer, or just someone looking for ways to elevate your digital content, you'll want to stick around for the full breakdown, because this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. And hey, if you're interested, you can try out Canva Visual Suite AI for free using the first link in the description below. Trust me, you'll want to see this software in action before making any decisions. Now, let's dive right into it. First up, Canva Visual Suite AI comes packed with tools that are going to blow your mind if you're used to traditional design software. This is not just about creating static images anymore. This suite leverages AI to assist you in creating dynamic, personalized visuals. From social media posts to presentations, this tool tailors designs to your brand's voice. What makes it stand out is its ability to generate not just images but also accompanying copy and even video content based on your prompts. You can literally input a theme or style, and the AI will produce a full design package. Something that could take hours of work now only takes minutes. The suite works seamlessly, making it ideal for digital marketers, small businesses, and even agencies that need to churn out content quickly and effectively. Another huge win for Canva Visual Suite AI is its automation features. It doesn't just help you design, it helps you optimize. The AI can analyze your content's performance and suggest improvements in real time. Imagine a tool that not only creates your content but also guides you on how to make it more effective in reaching your audience. That's what makes Canva Visual Suite AI a must-try for anyone in digital marketing. The integration of smart templates is also something that's going to save you a ton of time. These templates are constantly updated with the latest trends in design, and they adapt based on user preferences and content data. This means you're always on top of the latest trends without lifting a finger. And here's something that could change the game for many of you: Canva Visual Suite AI's collaborative features. Working with teams? No problem. You can easily share your designs, get real-time feedback, and even work on projects together without ever worrying about version control or missed updates. The platform also allows for easy export, so whether you're posting directly to social media or downloading files, it's incredibly efficient. If you've used Canva before, you'll love the familiarity. It doesn't feel like a completely new platform, and that's a huge advantage for those who already know the ins and outs of Canva's interface. Plus, this new AI layer makes the creative process easier, faster, and more intuitive. And I haven't even touched on the AI-powered image enhancement. This tool allows you to take any image you upload and have it automatically adjusted for color balance, contrast, and sharpness to make it look as professional as possible. If you're not a pro photographer or designer, this feature alone could elevate the quality of your visuals to new heights. I know you're probably wondering, does this come at a steep price? The great news is, you can try out Canva Visual Suite AI for free. That's right, they offer a free version that gives you a taste of what's possible. You can check it out for yourself through the link in the description below. And if you like what you see, there are affordable paid options for those who want even more features. As a final note, after testing thousands of AI tools in the digital marketing world, I can confidently say that Canva Visual Suite AI is among the best. Whether you're an individual creator or part of a larger team, this software makes design accessible, fast, and most importantly, effective. So, check out the recommended AI software in the description after trying out Canva Visual Suite AI for free. I've sifted through a ton of options, and these are the ones that have truly delivered. You can find them all down below, and remember to click that link to try Canva Visual Suite AI yourself.